This lesson is over variability. So before we do variability, let's talk about our number routine. Find the volume. So what is the formula for volume? Capital V equal capital, whoops, where's my pen? Capital B and H. So again, what does this capital B mean? It is the base. What shape do you see on the bottom of this box? A rectangle. So they want you to find the area of this rectangle. So what is the area of a rectangle? Base times height. Then you multiply it by the height of this rectangular prism, which is 3. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So 24 cubic meter is the volume. So in this activity, you're going to be doing a card sort. So you're going to get different cards, and I want you to sort them into 2 different piles. And then you're going to explain why, be prepared to explain why you sorted it in that way. How many baseball cards does the boy have? I'm not really sure, so I'm going to read up some more questions. How old is the athlete? Oh, it's about sports. How many fan letters does Lucy Liu receive every month? What is the difference in rainfall between St. Louis and Seattle in 2013? Maybe it's not about sports. How old are students in junior high? How much do sixth graders spend on lunch? How many text messages did I spend yesterday? So all these have like the answer is going to be like a number. How much do math teachers make in different parts of Houston? How many pets does each sixth grader have? How old are the animals at the zoo? I'm not really sure how to sort them. Actually, I do know how, but I don't want to give it away. So you know what? I'm going to leave it blank and go to the next slide. So data is a collection of facts such as number, words, measurement, observation, or even just descriptions of things. To collect data, people ask statistical question. It is a question that yields data with variability. So results with variability. How many students are in a sixth grade classroom? How many texts do your classmate receive each month? How many babies are born each day at Texas Children's Hospital? What do these 3 questions all have in common? How many sixth graders are in a sixth grade class? How many texts do your classmate receive each month? How many babies are born each day? If I'm thinking, if you talk about each month, which month are you talking about? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August? How many babies are born each day? January 1, January 2. From what I think this one has many answers to this problem. Results without variability. How many days are in June? 30 days. How many quarts are there in two gods? 8. How many syllables are in the word mathematical? 5. Oh, it seems like this one only has one answer. So if it has variability, it has various answers. Hence the word variability. As a variety of answers. Not just one, has multiple answer of various answers. If it has without variety, that means it's boring. It just has one answer. So would anybody like to change anything about their groups? Do so now. You know, I'm going to switch out my cards now. How many baseball cards does the boy have? Has one answer. How old is the athlete? 30. One answer. What is the difference in rainfall between St. Louis and Seattle in 2013? Difference being one answer. How old are students in junior high? They could be 11. I actually had a kid who's 10 years old. It could be 13. Some kids 14. So variety of answer. How much do sixth graders spend on lunch? Some people bring their lunch to school. Some people spend a lot of money. So variety of answer. How many text messages did I send yesterday? I sent in 10. So that's one answer. How much do math teachers make in different parts of Houston? That's a lot of different answers. How old are the animals at the zoo? There could be a newborn, it could be older. How many sixth graders attend our school? One answer. These are one answers. These are different answers. Variety of answers. How many pets does each sixth grader have? Which sixth grade are you going to talk about? There's a lot of sixth graders in our school. How many hours a week do my classroom spend on math homework? Some people spend 0 hours on homework. That's why their grade's not very good. Some people spend a lot of hours because they do Kumon. How many hours a week does Jose spend on math homework? So we don't. So it could be a variety answer. How many text messages do sixth graders send per day? Variety of answer. And oh, how many hours a week? Yeah. And how many fan letter does Lucy receive every month? Sometimes she gets a lot of letters. Sometimes she doesn't get. So that's how it's sorted. So let's go back here. For each of the following questions, please write either if with if the question yields variability or without if it does not yield. What grade did Dante get on his last math quiz? He got an 80 without variety, without various answer. How much does a brand new television cost? $200. One answer. Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington. Without variability. How much text do you send each day? Some days you send a lot of text, so with variability. So if it has variability, it has a variety of answer. So for each of the following, rewrite the question to a, be a question, that should be a question that yields variability. How old are you? How can I change that to show a variety of things? Um, how, I'm going to type this up because I have better handwriting. My handwriting is not as that great. So let's type it up. How old are my classmates? Will that give me different ages? What was the highest score on the last math test? What did my classmate get on the last test? Would I get different answers from different people? What is the difference in rainfall amounts in Austin in 2012 and 2013? How much did it rain each month? What did you get on your last year's STAR test? You can ask a variety of answer like, what did each person in my class get on STAR? So, would you like to change anything else now? Last chance. Well, here are the answers. If it yields variability, that means it has variety of answers. These all have variety of answer. Without variability, meaning it has only one answer. How many text messages I sent yesterday? That's one day. How many sixth graders attend our school? One answer. I think there's about 350 sixth graders with me. How old is the athlete? I'm an athlete, so I am a certain age. What was the difference in rainfall? You subtract and get one answer. How many baseball cards does the boy have? One answer. So that is what you are going to do. So again, if it has variability, variety of answer. If it's without variability, only one answer.